Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the official channel of Harak Coaching Classes. Today we are going to study the next lecture about understanding the trigonometry, right? So this is lecture 2 based on trigonometry. See, so in the previous lecture what we have basically covered that if this is a right angled triangle, then this is called hypotenuse. This is called perpendicular, this is called hypotenuse, and this is called base, right? So now we know that we have understood three of the ratios, that if this angle to be theta, then sine theta would be P over H, cos of theta would be B over H, and tangent of theta would be P over B, right? And we have understood that what is the practical application of the trigonometry and what is its use case, right? Now in today's lecture we have to learn about something called basic identities, right? So basic identity involves like three of the identities, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Second, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, right? So these three identities we need to understand. So just remember them. This is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Second is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And third is 1 plus cot square theta equals cosec square theta. Okay. So now basically uh, what is the use case? See, suppose sine of theta is given 4 over 3, and let's say cos of theta would be given 3 over what? Like if it is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, then sine of theta is 3 over 5. Cos of theta would be 4 over 5, and tan of theta would be what? Like 4 over 3, right? Now, if we want to verify the identity that sine square theta plus cos square theta should be 1, then we can just make a right triangle like this, giving it 3, 4, and 5. So then basically sine theta is what? 3 over 5. So I write 3 over 5 square plus cos square is 4 over 5. So I write this. This is equal to, let us check. So 9 over 25 plus 16 over 25, that is equal to 25 over 25, that is always 1, right? So we can conclude that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1, right? So that is the first identity. On the similar grounds, we can prove the rest of the two identities, which is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, where the main point to note is that sec theta is 1 over cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 over tangent of theta, and then sin of theta equals 1 over cosec theta, or cosec theta is equal to 1 over sin theta, right? So that is that to be kept in mind, right? So that is how we in this lecture we have covered three of the basic identities of the trigonometric functions of trigonometry of class 10th chapter 10, and chapter 8. Okay, so till now, till then, just have a look. Till then, have a great day. Take care. Bye bye. Good day. Thank you.